Hey guys, welcome to another video here on the channel. It's your girl Lakia Maria, and I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into it. So I am going to be setting up this standard dot grid notebook. Oh no, I thought it was dot grid. It's just regular grid. This is from Ali Reyes Philo Planner on Instagram. If you want some planner inspiration, her spreads are amazing. So what drew me to this is that I do want to have a brain dump notebook. I also like that this is a softer cover. I was using a spiral one, but I decided to go with this, and however long it takes me to finish it, it is what it is. But I just wanted to have a different type of brain dump notebook, which then leads me to my stash. So I have all of these kits because I was using a memory planner. I'll grab that. This is the memory planner that I was using, and honestly, I have not used it in months. Like, I have a Juneteenth spread here. I did do a video on this, and then when I go back and look at it, like my vacation week didn't do anything. So I don't really think I planned in here much past January and February that are like actually completed. I do like this that I was doing for the monthly, so I did that for January. And then I also did that for February. So I really like how that turned out, but I haven't really used this much at all. So that's that. And then I brought the Happy Planner Daily Planner, did a video on that, and I have all of these stickers, which I can still infuse some of them into the current system that I'm doing, but I want this to be like a true brain dump where I can journal, make my list, any content that I want to do, anything that I want to record, any project ideas that I have. I want to have it all in one notebook. I don't really need to separate things, and that's the thing about planning that is like a gift and a curse in a sense. It's like you switch when things are just not working, which is why I'm a true believer in, your planner meeting you where you are in your life at the moment. And right now, I'm hoping that this grid notebook works. And then I have all of these stickers, which of course I bought to go inside of this planner, but I think that I'm gonna go through everything and then just destash what it is that I don't want and what I don't want to use. Like the stuff back here, like some of the stuff is gonna be a mix match, but the sticker kits that I do would be like $10 to $15 depending on how big the stacks are. Things that I'll be keeping would definitely be like the doll stickers that I have over here. And I'll more than likely be giving away, if I give away the albums that have stickers inside of them, then that'll be more in like the 20 to 25 range if I give the album itself away. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna give the album away. I don't even remember where I got the album from, but it's like some of these I probably won't use. Like these from Pink Diamond Planner Co. Probably won't use that one. The graduation one, like my sister's graduation already happened. Football season is coming up, so I'd probably keep that one. Harry Potter might be cute for like a back to school, but this birthday one I don't really care about. This one I'd probably keep and do something for my birthday. Then like these Halloween ones, I don't really know if I need all of them. Like I have a lot of Halloween kits, so some of these are going to be going bye-bye. And like these fall ones, and then the Christmas ones, I'm probably going to destash 90% of those because I've already used them. And then when it comes to this one, this is where I keep most of my dolls and stuff. My dolls I'm definitely going to keep. But some of these I have duplicates of, which I keep back here. And I labeled this. These are going to be easy to come off whoever gets this album. So I'm just trying to process and figure out what it is that I'm going to do and how I'm going to sell this. It's not a whole lot, but I'd at least be able to make some sticker bundles out of these. So if you're interested, please comment down in this video. Like these here, I don't think I'd be keeping all of them. Like I don't need multiple Dollar Tree options. The point of my journal here is not to be so meticulous with tiny little stickers like these, but if I do keep something, I'd probably keep like one of each, and then, you know, just get rid of the duplicates. Like the crafty stuff I may end up keeping, but like these here, definitely probably wouldn't keep those. So I'm still going through and figuring all of that out. And then I come over here to my tiny little TV stickers. Where are they at? Gold Paper Prints is a shop that's not even open anymore. I don't know if Sticky Perks is or not. So how I would more than likely keep these, but then like this one here, the ones that are in here that have never been used, you see that? Like I'd probably get rid of those. And then in here I have more. This one is barely used. Disney Plus, Amazon Prime Video. Like these are all stickers that can just go. Like I don't need them. The Netflix Christmas one, I don't know if I have a Netflix Christmas one. I actually like this Netflix one over the TV. So this one, and then yeah, because I have 2 of these from Sticky Perks, so I don't need both. So that's just an example of what would go. And then I have a bajillion payday stickers, and I don't even, these are from Piper Paper Company, and then another one from Gold Paper Print. So those are going to be added to the pile. And then the fill up gas tank, I don't even use that. The therapy sessions, I have not used those. The fill up the gas tank, the car one, the anxiety and migraine, the decisions were made, like don't need that. And I have an example of how I organize all of these, so if you guys are interested in that. The sleep in, don't need that. Don't need the sick day, the lazy day, the cuddle time with the, like all this stuff that's inside. Barely used it. Barely used it. The date night, appointment, mani-pedi, the wash hair, the hair appointment, time to clean. All these clean ones, even this Scrub Buddies, like I don't need that. So the stack, as you can see, is getting much larger. So the stack has gotten bigger. I'm probably going to add more to it. Still going through this, still going to take out this. So I'll do a full video, but let me guys know your thoughts in the comments below on what you think and if you're interested. Thanks in advance. See you guys in the next one.